Alright guys, in this video I will give you a quick update on my Netflix position. I have another video here on this YouTube channel where I showed you guys my results on Netflix where I got assigned on a cash secured put and Netflix just decided to keep on dropping even more. So I was selling cash secured puts at a $88 strike, and as we can see, Netflix went all the way through that strike price and came all the way down to $65. So at one point, I was about 25% in the minus on this position. So make sure you check out that other video because I am sharing my wins and also my losses here with you guys transparently. But I am very convinced by Netflix and still very confident that Netflix is going to recover. And that's why I also believe my strategy, the premium cycle, is one of the best and most conservative strategies. Because if we compare this to any other leveraged trading strategy, you would have lost all your money if you leveraged this product. Maybe you're going to get liquidated. You don't own the shares of Netflix, or you're running some type of credit spread and you lost the money in between your spread and you can never recover from this position. But for me, it is not true because currently I am only down 16%, guys. Okay, so from down all the way from 25%, I am only down 16% because as we can see right here, Netflix is currently recovering. So it already came up all the way from $65 to $74. So we are having a nice bounce back on Netflix. And also it seems like we really found that bottom on Netflix right here around $74. It seems like Netflix really wants to hold this as its support level and is not going to drop lower. So we are going to see that in the upcoming weeks if Netflix keeps on rising a little bit more and then bounces around here, touches 74 and comes right back up, then we really have that support level right here confirmed. So it also makes sense for you guys who don't own Netflix yet. You can possibly sell cash secured puts around this level once that support level is confirmed a little bit more. I am currently selling covered calls to the upside, so I am selling them at a $90 strike because that is above my cost basis, which is right here at $88. I'm just selling covered calls so I can continue collecting a monthly paycheck on this position. And the more Netflix rises, the more meaningful that covered call premium gets for me. And I can also increase my covered call strike price. But every single time I sell a covered call on this position, my cost basis even lowers more. So even though I was wrong on Netflix and it went through my strike price level where I originally sold the cash secured put, I'm still not out on this position. I didn't lose any money. I didn't realize any loss. I can still generate a monthly income from this position, even though I am temporary in the minus. And I'm very convinced by the end of this year, Netflix is going to rise even more, so I can possibly sell my shares with a large profit if I get assigned on a covered call, or I just continue generating a monthly income. And that is what my strategy is all about. Even if you're wrong, you're not losing your hard-earned capital. And that's why I always say my number one rule to focus on a strong, high-quality underlying asset. That is the most important thing. The stock that you sell your cash secured put on needs to be a high quality company that has a realistic chance to recover if it drops. And you cannot sell cash secured puts and use my strategy on cheap meme stocks just to collect a high premium, and your stock is just going to drop 50 or 60% below your strike price and is never going to recover. That would be misusing my strategy. So you guys, I wanted to share this here with you guys to keep you updated on my Netflix position. I don't need Netflix to go to 88. I don't need it to go there in the next 1, 2, or 3 months. Even if it just goes up a little bit more to 80, my premium at my cost basis becomes significantly more meaningful. I can generate a monthly income, so I'm still making money on this position, and every single time I sell that covered call, I lower my cost basis even more and more until I eventually hold the stock at a much lower price level. So, if you guys are interested in a safe, conservative trading strategy that generates you a monthly income, then click the link in my bio, join my community, the Premium Cycle, and I will see you guys there.